So guys, in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today we're trading in the green for the first time in 2 sessions. Currently trading at 11,946 in pre-market. So before the US market started, the US session I should say started, we were trading down roughly 0.6%, as low as 11,820. But since then we have paired our losses, and we're currently trading at 11,950. So this is encouraging for the bulls, and I mentioned it in yesterday's video, and I'll mention it again. It looks like to me that the markets are just taking a breather this week. We've seen an immense amount of volatility over the past 2 sessions dating back to prior the US elections. So I think it makes sense that this week we just have a slight breather, a slight pause, until we then continue our bullishness back up towards all-time highs. And it's very encouraging that we are taking a breather at this level. Typically a lot of traders would expect the market to at least slowly fall back down towards a 50-day EMA. However, that has not been the case here. We're creating a platform roughly at the all-time highs, up at around 12,000, which is very encouraging. And this is typically a bullish sign. If we see a flattening of the 50-day EMA, which is that red line on your screens, that just basically means we're waiting to build up enough momentum, or waiting for a catalyst to send us on that next leg higher. And of course, it's Christmas, and it's going to be a very e-commerce Christmas this year. People are going to be worried about going to stores to buy Christmas presents for their families. I think they'll much rather order their Christmas presents for their loved ones either through Amazon. There'll be a lot of Apple products being bought. There'll be a lot of Microsoft products being bought for Christmas. So I think it's going to benefit the big tech names immensely over the next couple of months, and we're going to see great earnings going into the end of January 2021. So I really do like the Nasdaq 100 here. My medium to long term projection is we will trade back up towards 13,000. For those who've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I've been setting this target since probably about dating back 2 months. So I am bullish going into Friday session. I do expect us to trade back up towards 12,400. No interest.
You